Today I'm going to share how I like to use the Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess blushes. These blushes are perfect for all skin types and they're formulated with intense pigments that won't fade. The blushes come in 5 different shades, but today I'm going to apply the shade Playful, which is a pretty pink. The shades do vary on the spectrum from more of a soft, subtle colour through to a brighter, more poppy punch, so there's definitely something for everyone. The beauty of these blushes is that they're made from the highest grade natural minerals, so they're going to apply for a really smooth and natural finish. There are a couple of ways you can use these blushes. The first is by adding a single sheer layer for a subtle pop of colour. The second way is to build up and layer the blush so you're creating a more intense finish. Now today I'm going to apply somewhere in the middle so you can see exactly how they perform. To apply, I take a little bit of the product onto my blush brush, tap off the excess, and then starting just above the apple of the cheek, I apply in a upwards sweeping motion heading towards the temple. As you can see, that one sheer single layer has created a really beautiful soft finish, but we can build it up, so you can take a little bit more of the blush onto your brush and either tap it over the top or sweep it up to intensify your look. The great thing about these blushes is that you can also use them as an eyeshadow, so you can just sweep a single wash over the eyes to tie your look together. The Kylie's Professional Mineral Goddess makeup range is vegan, cruelty-free and Australian certified toxic-free, meaning it doesn't contain any nasties and it's suitable for all skin types.